Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zani Study Instruments. Here all students who are doing master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is History of English Literature and I am gonna tell you about the topic Postmodernism Age. Guys, मेरे चैनल पे पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म की दो वीडियोस हैं, एक हेडिंग वाली पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म और एक विदाउट हेडिंग्स। आपको जो इजी लगे, जो अच्छी लगे, आप वो याद कर सकते हैं। और वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन एज वेल टू गेट नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ माय न्यू वीडियोस। एंड the viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you like the videos, please press the like button, and if you don't understand, tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me by commenting. You will get the same topic in the next video. And Zani Study Instruments Literature in Pakistan. गाइज नाउ आई एम गोना स्टार्ट द टॉपिक पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म। इस वीडियो में आपको ट्रांसलेशन नहीं मिलेगी, सॉरी फॉर डैट, प्रॉब्लम है इसलिए। पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म इन हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर, द टर्म पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म लिटरेरी मीन्स आफ्टर वट इज नाउ, refers to a philosophical and cultural movement, the central primes of which is rejection of all meta-narratives way of thinking that unite knowledge. Postmodernism characterized by irony, self-reflexivity, and knowing illusions galore. Postmodernism is basically a period of late 20th century till now. It has contemporary works of Anne Prolix, Dunia Tartt. Many bachelors says that postmodernism arose against modernism, whereas modernism places faith in the ideas and beliefs. Postmodernism rejects Western values and beliefs. Postmodernism is suspicious of being profound because such ideas are based on the particular Western value system. But modernism attempts to reveal profound truths of experience and life. Postmodernism sees human experience as unstable, internally contradictory, ambiguous, with no one specific reality possible, but modernism focused on central themes. J.F. Lyotard, simply to the extreme, I define postmodernism as incredibility towards meta-narratives. Characteristics of postmodernism are playfulness with language or irony or black humor. Intertextuality, a term coined by Julia Kristeva to designate the various relationships that a given text they have with other text. Another characteristic is the experimentation in the form of novel. It has reliance on traditional narrative form and on traditional character development. Its another characteristic is experimentation with point of view. Metafiction, phenomena, temporal distortion, magic realism, hyperreality, perennial-maximalism are common elements of postmodernism. Guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. और वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो please like my video and share my video. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.